Welcome back to Dad Crazy Fish. Hope y'all doing good out there. Today's gonna be my first day fly fishing. I'm over here with my buddy Logan.
Good morning.
Woo! Money, baby. Look how pretty it is. My first time fishing with a fly rod. You see our boy Logan over. Oh, I had one. That hook set wasn't good. Yes, sir. On the fly rod, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. On the fly rod. Another one. Another one. Look how beautiful they are. Beautiful. Look at that. Let's take him out. Set him free, baby. Swim free, buddy. Thank you. That's a nice one, buddy. Okay. Yes, sir. Logan caught another one. There it goes. There she is. You can see her right here. Look at that bad boy. Look at that bad boy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Beautiful rainbow.
Beautiful little native rainbow.
Right. Round 2 of fishing. Let's do it. Let's do it. What you got there? All right. All right. That's a nice one. Yes, sir. Beautiful. Hey, that's nice.